Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own certificates for your wig classes, nail classes, lash classes, whatever classes that you provide certificates for. I'm teaching you how to make them yourself. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So first I'm starting off with a template 4 inches wide, and 6 inches long, so 4 by 6 basically. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert some palm trees for the background effect. Here I'm just duplicating it and flipping it around to get it in the bottom corner. Now I'm going to create a border effect. I'm going to go ahead and get it square, and I'm going to kind of like create the outline so that way it looks like it is a border instead of, Now I'm going to go ahead and add a border to make it pop a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in some text. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and add in a line. This is where, you can write on it or, just simply put in your own little words that you guys want to put on the line. And right here, I'm just going to go ahead and add in the logo that we have created in the previous video. And now I'm going to go ahead and change the font. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the line and just create 2 little lines, to write down the completed and then the date and then, your signature on there. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and change the background to pink. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the colors of all of the text to match the logo. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it. That way I can have like a little border on the outside of it. And I'm going to also add in the shadow effect, of course, because it helps it pop out a little more. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and change the border. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some clip art. And that is how you make a certificate for your classes inside of Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you guys stay tuned for more.